In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget sewing machine available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The Varmax M2701 lightweight sewing machine is a simple-to-use sewing machine with all the bells and whistles. It's perfect for both beginners and advanced sewers, with 27 stitches, 63 functions, and a built-in needle threader, blind hems, zippers, zigzag, ornamental stitching, quilting, and an automatic buttonhole functionality are among the most noticeable features. This sewing machine features a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin with an automatic winding system, quick-change stitching feet, and a bright LED light to make your work easier to view. After reading the usage manual or watching the supplied instructional DVD, beginners should be able to jump straight in. The Varmax M2701 also comes with a 25-year limited guarantee and free lifetime technical support. Rarely can you get such a low price for such a high level of quality and variety. The Singer 7258 is a computerized sewing machine that comes with a DVD that explains how to use it. For more precise sewing and durability, this machine boasts a heavy-duty metal frame. A 25-year limited warranty is included, as well as online support. The 7258 comes equipped with all of the capabilities you'll need to sew, quilt, and make ornamental gifts and home things. 9 necessary stitches, 8 stretch stitches, 76 decorative stitches, and 7 automatic buttonholes are among the 100 built-in stitches. The machine has an automatic needle threader and a sewing speed that can be adjusted. All of these functions are incorporated in a machine that is simple to operate and costs less than $200. Check out the Heureux sewing and quilting machine if you know your way around a sewing machine and want something that goes above and beyond. It's simple to use, yet it offers a lot more stitches and functions than similar products. You can do almost anything with the 200 built-in stitches, from decorative patterns and embroidery to quilting, lettering, and buttonholes. Using the buttons, cycle through all of the stitches and check which one you've chosen on the LCD screen. This sewing machine also includes an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant bobbin, saving you time and aggravation. Despite the fact that it only weighs 12 pounds, its heavy-duty build will last for many years. The Heureux sewing and quilting machine has a strong motor with a sewing speed of 700 RPM. It's great for mending holes in clothes, hemming them, and making various kinds of textiles. The built-in tray can hold all of the accessories, and the dust cover protects the machine when it's not in use. The Singer 4411 is a heavy-duty sewing machine that can sew through numerous layers of cloth as well as tougher textiles such as denim and leather. This is due to its powerful motor and additional foot height option. It includes 11 stitch patterns and a 4-step buttonhole, and with a stitch speed of over 11 stitches per minute, you should be able to speed up your stitching and avoid those late-night sewing sessions. If you want to do a lot of garment sewing and want to make your own jeans or bags, this is a terrific starter machine. It can also be used to repair or change existing clothing. So, if you're looking to buy less and make the most of what you currently own, this sewing machine might be the one for you. We propose the Varmax Mini Sewing Machine if you're seeking for a low-cost solution. Its small size saves you space and allows you to use it when traveling or at home. But don't be fooled by its diminutive size. This modern sewing machine packs a punch. Because you don't have to knot your stitches, double threads save time, and dual speed control ensures safe and strong operation. The Varmax Mini comes with a huge extension table that keeps it stable and lets you to work on bigger tasks. A distinctive cuff slot makes stitching pants and shirts a breeze, and built-in lighting makes it simple to see what you're doing. This low-cost sewing machine is ideal for both novice and experienced makers. Aside from clothing, it may be used to make purses, aprons, face masks, napkins, tablecloths, and anything else you can think of. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.